Hello everyone, I added custom fit floor mats to my Tundra. I decided to install it to protect the factory carpet and facilitate the cleaning process, especially on corners and sides where the dust tends to be accumulated and can be a little bit difficult to clean. I don't know why I didn't this before. In my opinion, this should be one of the first mods, especially when you have kids. Something unexpected happened with this particular floor mat, but you will see it in this video. Also, I'm going to show you an option to fix it. There are a lot of available options in the market, therefore I'm not recommending any specific brand, but I highly recommend to have at least one. The one I got is from Amazon and I just chose the cheaper one I found at that moment. The unboxing experience wasn't the best, but sometimes you get what you pay for. The box was damaged and the mats were out of the bags. Overall, it looked like an open box item. For this particular floor mat, I can tell that it fit perfectly and it is exactly what I was looking for. Also, I kept the factory mats on top because I love the look of it. The only issue I have with this floor mat, it is located in the rear side. After the installation, I noted that it doesn't stay close enough to the factory floor mat. In my opinion, this is not a big deal, especially for the price I got this. It is something that can be fixed using a Velcro or something like that. Also, it is not bad at all in the scenario where some liquid falls over it, it will slide directly to the outside instead of the interior, which is good. After a couple of weeks seeing it, I decided to add Velcro tape to help keep the floor mat into position. So far it is working as expected, but maybe too early to say it because this was just a few days ago. After that, I repeated the water test and it worked as expected too. It would be nice to see your comments. Do you have a floor mat like this one on your Tundra? Are you satisfied with it? Any issues similar to the one I had on the rear side? Is there any brand you recommend? Well, this is all I got for now. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.